As we wrap up this part of Chapter 4, where we are writing linear equations, I want to look one more time at the equations of horizontal and vertical lines. I think everybody's pretty good on a horizontal line has zero slope, a vertical line has undefined slope. We still get a little confused about what those equations look like. So that's what we're going to do in this short video, is just look at that, okay? The instructions here say write equations of the horizontal and vertical lines that pass through the given point, okay? So they gave me the point, -1, 3, and we're going to do this first one on a graph, but the second one I'm going to have you try without a graph. So the point -1, 3 is right here, right? Okay. Now, I think everybody will agree there is a horizontal line that goes through this point, and there is a vertical line that goes through this point, okay? Now, the horizontal line has zero slope. The horizontal line has zero slope. But what's its equation? What is special about a horizontal line? Well, look at all the points on this line and what remains constant. What never changes on this line? Do you see that the y value of every point on this line, the y value is 3? Okay, so for this line, the horizontal equation is the equation y equals 3. Okay, it goes through the point 3. It's a horizontal line, and on this horizontal line, y is always 3. So it has the equation y equals 3. Now, look at the vertical line. The vertical line's right here. What's true about this line? What never changes on this line? Well, let's look at some points. There's this point, and this point, and this point. What's true about every point on this line? Well, on this point, on this line, the x-coordinate never changes. The x-coordinate never changes on a vertical line. And what is the x-coordinate? Well, the x-coordinate is the x value of the point. So the vertical line, the equation is x equals, and what does x equal? X equals -1, okay? Now, let's review our little weird way to remember this. Why do we say HOY? HOY is a horizontal line. What kind of slope does a horizontal line have? A horizontal line has zero slope, and the last part comes from the equation. So that y comes from the equation. The equation of a horizontal line is y equals, okay? Now, what do we use for a vertical line? For a vertical line, we use VUX, right? V is for vertical line. U means it has undefined slope. What does the x mean? The x means the equation is x equals a number. X equals a number. And in this case, it was x equals -1. Okay? Now, I've given you a point down here. I've given you the point 13, -5. I want you to do this without graphing. I want you to write the equation of the horizontal line and the vertical line that goes through this point. All right? Pause the video, then turn it back on and check your work. All right. Did you get it? A horizontal line's equation is always y equals something. What does y equal? Y equals the y-coordinate of the point. A vertical line is always x equals something. What does x equal? X has to equal the x-coordinate of the point. So that's why I put 13 for x and -5 for y. All right? Okay. Just a short little thing we wanted to talk about again. Tomorrow we'll do a little foldable with this, and we will review for our test.